Hello, this is Lockpicking Nerd, and today we're gonna look at this strange cam lock. It attracted my attention by the unusual shape of its keys, of the keyway, and of course by stating that it's very high secure. If you take a closer look at the keyway, you can see it's just a hole, and inside this hole there are 5 sliders. They are very tiny, and they interact with the key that looks like this. You can see it has 5 parts sticking outside, and those parts push on the sliders of the lock and let the core rotate. Actually, I can say that it's like a normal tubular lock, but without the centerpiece. We can see how it works, and it works pretty nice. I have to say that these springs here are very strong, and it may be difficult to push on the sliders, bearing in mind that sliders are very tiny. When I first looked at this lock, I thought how to pick it, and discovered that the main problem of picking this lock is tensioning it. It actually doesn't tension from the outside. Like this ring here, it doesn't move. That's why I came up with the tool like this one. It looks very ugly and was made quickly, so I apologize for that. But it actually works. It sticks here and allows me to tension this lock. All that said, let's try to pick this lock open and see how difficult will it be. I will detach the cam so it won't bother me. And I'll put the lock in my handheld device. Let's see one more time that the lock still works. It works perfectly, as you see. And let's try to pick it. Applying some tension. And slider 1, these sliders are really tiny. Slider 2, slider 3, and I think this fast we got it open one step. Yeah, it went one step and locked. We cannot pull our tensioning tool from here. And I think I had to push only on 3 sliders to get it unlocked. So let's lock it back. The procedure is exactly the same. Slider 1, slider 2, and slider 3. Rechecking those sliders. Oh. As I supposed, the only problem here was tensioning this lock. Oh, yeah. Slider. One more. This one, slider. Not yet. I think my tensioning tool is totally broken, but 1, slider 2, slider 3, and finally, totally breaking how to we got it picked back. Let's check one more time that the lock still works and it was not compromised in any way. What can I say? I cannot say that this lock is very high secure. Actually, I don't know if it's a problem with my particular lock or it's a design defect, but I had to push only on 3 sliders to get it unlocked. Anyway, I like that Chinese manufacturers come up sometimes with some unusual ideas. And the lock itself is nicely made. I wish it was a little bit more pick-proof. Well, as for today, that's all I have for you. Stay safe, have a great evening, and see you in the next video.